Greetings, y'all. I am getting ready to launch my new upcoming YouTube ranking course, and I wanted to show you one of the tools that I'm actually using to help rank and build authority for my YouTube site, where I am posting all of my YouTube content that has been posted on my authority channels. So right now, Yiveranker does have a one-time fee. When you're watching this video, it may not. Right now, they're having a super special price, so I'm going to go ahead and send out a link to that if you want to check it out and see. But basically what this is it is a Web 2.0 site that actually creates lots and lots of backlinks automatically. But what I love is that it integrates two ways of being able to get backlinks. One, it's very similar to Money Robot. So this is going to give you more subnets and IPs for your backlinks. Now, a lot of people will not know about that because they're not technical when they're doing this sort of thing. But when Google is looking at your site, they are looking to see how many subnets and IPs that your backlinks are coming from. So some platforms only have, like, they'll have 1,000 sites, but they'll only have one server that those sites are hosted on. So Google can see that even though you have 100,000 backlinks, it's only coming from one server, so that looks a little bit fishy if only one server is hosting your backlinks. So the nice thing about Yiveranker is they have another 20 servers, and this allows them to show 20 unique servers and IPs. Now, they have a bunch of different niche-specific sites, but the big thing is being able to add a variety of servers and IPs. So a lot of people ask, what's the best backlink software to use? I use a variety of them so that when I am putting links on my sites, I have a multitude of servers and IPs and subnets. So this is just like one of the tools in the tool case. And what I love is that right now it does have a one-time fee if you get in right now. Later on it'll be recurring, but it will have a small recurring fee. And so let's go ahead and look at it real quick. So it's pretty easy. One thing that I also like is that it has Syndlab built in, one integration, so that you can go ahead and use your Syndlab account as well. Now, just to let you know, I still have the discount links for Syndlab and the backdoor links. If you actually get the Syndlab through the Yiveranker software here, they don't have the backdoor links that I have. They don't have the discount links that I have. So you will end up paying more if you do not already have Syndlab. So just go ahead and check the link below, and you can go ahead and find the specific pieces in the specific funnel so that you can get exactly what you need. But let's go ahead and look at this. So we have the ability to just go ahead and come over here to Yiveranker. And what it does is you can set up an RSS for your website. So what it'll do is it will pull the last 12 posts that you had on your website, and then it will post every single post after that. And what you can do is you can go to campaigns, and what I would set up is I would set up RSS feed to Syndlab, all right? Because Syndlab, it's going to give you another 20 IPs, and it's going to give you another 20 subnets, which is going to give you more variety in your backlinking and more diversity in your backlinking structure. So what I will do is I will set up my RSS feed to Syndlab, which gives me 20 different accounts plus a private PBN that you can backlink to. And so automatically every post that comes out, you just put one link to each one of those. And the setup is super simple. You just go to Syndlab, all right? You create an RSS feed. All right, and then you can go ahead and put the name of the campaign. So this is going to be your website and your feed URL. Now, the great thing is this is going to be the same for the Ranker RSS and the Syndlab RSS. You just go to your site, and then you use the plugin, which is called RSS Finder. So you just click on RSS Finder, and it's going to give you the RSS feed. So you just copy that. Copy the RSS feed, and then you're going to come over to the RSS feed URL, and you're going to paste it in there. Now, a lot of times it will say feed, or it'll say XML, or it'll say various other things. But what you want to do is you want to find out whatever your feed is for your site, and then you put whatever primary keywords. Now, usually, remember, when you are building a site, you want that site to be focused on a specific niche, a specific keyword set, so that when you are building keywords to it, it will be, ranking for specific keywords, a specific niche, a specific genre. You don't want to have 50 different topics all over the place. You want to have it with one niche, one topic, one subset, so that you're better, easy to rank, as well as being able to build up your authority. So we're just going to put in, whatever our keyword base is going to be. So like make money online, software product reviews, stuff like that. All right. So then we're going to go ahead and put our keywords in there. Then you come down here to your Syndlab group, and you're going to find whatever group that you want to use. So you just select it. This one here is going to be for my passive cash stacker site. So we say there, and then all we do is we say save and start campaign. And so what it's going to do is whenever a new post comes out on your site, it's going to use these as your primary keywords here. and then it is going to do your backlinking for you automatically. So we have the RSS feed to Syndlab right here. And so what it's going to do is it's going to populate. These campaigns are going to run over 5 to 10 days whenever a new post comes, so that it's going to look more organic and more natural. And then very easy for your RSS feed to your network. Same thing is there. So I have the website for the RSS feed. And again, with this one, you're going to put in your keywords, which is going to be the main keywords you want to try to rank for. Secondary keywords are going to be for things that you would like to also be hyperlinked in the campaign, or that text is inside of the articles. And then your branded keywords are going to be things that you want your site to be known for, and it looks more natural if you have branded keywords like the name of your website, the name of your persona, your name itself, like mine is Daniel Martin or Passive Cash Stacker. And you see there's different variations of the same thing. So passive space, cash space, stacker, right? Passive Cash Stacker together, passive Cash Stacker website, Passive Cash Stacker website. You can also have like naked URLs in here, so like passivecashstacker.com. Stuff like that. So you want to make sure that you have branded keywords in there, because it's going to look a lot more natural, because people are more likely to backlink to your site with your name or the name of the site or the naked URL. So definitely make sure that you include those in there. You want to go in and you want to select the niche, because they actually have niche specific websites in here, and they've got like 50 different niches, which is pretty great. And then you're going to select the style that you want. Now, what I suggest is having the smallest one, because what you're going to be doing is you're going to be building out authority over time. You're not just trying to blast your site with links. You just want to slowly but surely build up your authority over time from as many different places as possible, with as many different IPs and subnets, showing Google that it's not all hosted on the same server, it's not all coming from the same owner, that it's from natural, organic people who want to backlink to this content because it is high quality content. So we can go here, RSS feed to network, and I can just show you the basic of what they have. So we come here to test, and we'll say our RSS feed is here. So let's come back here, let's find our RSS feed, we'll copy that. RSS feed, primary keyword, secondary keyword. Now this is going to be exactly what I just showed you. And then right here, you can pick any one of the niches. Like I said, they've got tons of niches in there. And then what I will always pick is the Orion. Now, the Orion, look here, this is your target URL or your money site. And then you're going to have 6 links per backlink site, right? And then you're going to have Blogger, Tumblrs, and WordPresses, Web 2.0 links pointing at your money site. And then these links are going to be powered up by profiles, links, directories, which are going to be powered up by social bookmarking, forum profiles. And what I love here is it is building up a basic, organic-looking profile structure with links. So I don't want to just blast my site with a bunch of links and get all crazy with links. I just want to make it look like I'm organically getting links. And if I am creating good content over time, then I will get real backlinks from real people because they like the content. So this is just trying to give yourself a little bit of a boost. And so I am backlinking from the 20 properties on every post from Syndlab. And then, I'll have about 6 links here for every post coming from the niche aged Web 2.0. And so that just helps you with the diversity of your backlinking structure. And so this is another tool that gives you the ability. Now, like I said, they're having a huge discounted sale right now. I'll have a link below, and you can take advantage of that so you can get a one-time fee on the platform. But this is really simple to use, really easy. You just come into campaigns, you select what you want. I'm basically using the RSS to the network and RSS to Syndlab to give me 2 sets of automatic backlinks to every single post, and I just let it run in the background. I set it up once, and I never touch it again. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, make sure you check out the link below, and I will have it all set up so that you can go ahead and take advantage of the one-time fee. Right now, they are having 20,000 bonus credits. If you don't get in when they have that available, then, just check out the platform itself, because like I said, you're getting another 20 IPs and subnets, and then, there's probably a couple thousand different sites that are niche specific and niche generated. So this is definitely a great tool. I love that it incorporates Syndlab as well, and I will have the discount links below for that. And that gives you the ability to have 40 to 60 unique subnets and IPs pointed at your site for every single post that you put out, and they will vary every single post that you put out. So it's really nice, and it's all automatic. You set it up once and you forget it.